Attention TV, some and Fambra Attention TV. So subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow on Facebook, like, comment, and also share. Queen Afia schwârzêneger and so the next time Agradaa Mountain edify evangelist on my part in a scam allegedly no or also edin semba community Agradaa Mountain edia for you beko tie no edia banos mansana no mamenka wo se University Foundation na asomasna medejumede ensomo no ni bia jankama browe hosia economic for prisons and washington. Brofoni na say your donations are never too late. A little amount is a big unto us. I need to take a crown one for Besom University Foundation and Yakopon Bishop.
How do you go to church expecting a pastor to give you money? Let's be honest. Let's just be honest. Let's assume say Agradaa can sample. Me de me video no here no. Say we could chase her when I sorry them, and I even thought she was kidding. Honestly, I didn't know what that was. Yes, will be wuji yenkwa. Bible so be obe ni din bi obe nyankwa. Yes will be wuji yenkwa. Yesu Kristo. Ono kwa wan chesika wa sorry them. Yesu Kristo and chesika. Ewa sorry them. One promise will be as a fasika bejisika. I mean, what the fuck? Hey! And to the party is saying, yeah, kotuaba we munila betuaba nibi. And kofu we nila si kotuaba muso tuaba nibi. I decided me ye president of this country. I mean, why? I looked at the video this morning. And me rahu because baby we are see a dream. Now me madam for be kind. I am not defending anybody. I am not defending anybody. Let me also be honest to you. Eye obia oye du frupe. The only person you can scam on this earth is a greedy person. If you are not greedy, nobody will scam you. Listen to me again. The only person that can be scammed is a greedy person. If you are not greedy, nobody will scam you. Nobody will scam you if you are not greedy. Because me, you cannot tell me anything that I should come to church and give you 2 million and I will make 4 million. And I will do that. No. How do you believe that you are going to give money to somebody and exchange that money for another money? A bigger money? What is wrong with your coconuts? Oh, please. You know, you people should stop erasing all doubts. Sometimes let people think that, oh, I think this guy is stupid. Don't let them know you are stupid. What are they doing about Utirim? Are they doing about Utirim? Are they doing? Even Obinim that said, of course, spiritual world. He goes to the spiritual world and bring money. And so you believe this. And the fire bag, you believe it, and you carried your bag that you're going to exchange money for why? You people are painful to my brain. You are painful. Like your situation is not painful. Your situation that you got what you deserve. You got what you deserve. Say mama pata musika. It's because you are greedy. And you deserve it. Oh, thank you, Jesus. It's because you are greedy. You deserve it. And Ghana police should not waste their time on it. They've got other things to do. Hey! And this is your toy and I'm one tear. Mo sorry for my phone somewhere one. Why? Why? How on earth can you believe such? Oh my goodness. Na software di misika, na software di misika, na software di misika, na software for you mesi utili so. You are the same person. I am getting with you trust. You are the same person that took your money there. And awaje. Are you people out of your mind? And then na me say, me ti wodi nam. How can you believe in this bullshit? How can you believe in this bullshit? How on earth can you believe this bullshit? Sorry, dying bang. Roman for the dinner to matter this to Presby. How can he now what he say? Yeah, Jessica was sorry then. It's just because you people are not ready to read the Bible. You people are not ready to pray. Mommy, give me some of the fried meat. Give me the fried meat. You people are not ready to read the Bible. You people are not ready. Any doctor, I call on Zoom. You people are not ready to pray. You people are not ready to think. You people are not ready to work. That's what it is. You people are not ready to work. My sister, don't tell me anybody is vulnerable. Who is vulnerable? Excuse me. Who is vulnerable? Tell me. How vulnerable are they? You are vulnerable, but you know you are taking your money to go and collect money. You are really sick of this car. How vulnerable is that? How vulnerable is that? How vulnerable is that? Hey! Seriously? 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 So be this garbage on TV to say, no one for car kwasa wo koje. Hey! God of Israel. Na Agradaa no on your Bank of Ghana. Or to seek a fusion. Okasa mama to offer no man kotoa and continue saba be sister mo ba go makoyi. Mo pechini dodo. Mo pechini dodo. Hey! Sika okoto ho no. Onto wo na sorry dem da.
schwârzêneger and a cotton in the buying her and I'm attention to you. Bye, Macau.